I stay in Paris.
Does his mother complain? Tolerate you two slut perverts? Mr. Wei told me there was an explosion at Fortune Manufacturing.
More fighting between
Tiffany, it's Wei.
Oh, hi. How are you?
I'm good. Listen, you busy later?
Well, I'm working. Why?
I was thinking of dropping by Bam Bam to see you.
Oh, that'd be great. You want to sing karaoke?
Well, you have to get a few drinks in me first, but, maybe. I'll see you in a bit.
You got it. Bye-bye.
I wish I could live your life.
Hello?
Wait! The Knox Security Company has refused to pay protection money. If you see their vans, hijack them and bring them to one of our garages.
Sounds good. I'll grab them if I see them. Hey, Tiffany.
Oh, you're here. I've got everything set up.
There's no escaping karaoke here, is there?
You want to sing first? Hey.
次次買呢樣嘢，即係輸咗。
Yeah, nice.
嘿，
Oh, okay.
遲下。我而家真係冇乜嘢。有邊個真係諗住做好呢份工㗎？都係打工啫嘛。
Hi.
啊哈。
買10送2喎，留返慢慢用咯。
嘿。
喂，叫你係咩吧？你啊，放工陪我去買。
啱。
下次經過啦，拜拜。
唔好意思啊，我咪太囉嗦啊，唔親你啊。原來做嘢真係好辛苦咯。
Hi.
Hey.
Have you seen the new Wallstrom calendar? He's such a hunk and he was born in the year of the tiger. He's so perfect.
我冇錢啊！
My job is like being forced to watch the most boring TV episode of the most boring TV show. Over and over and over.
我而家真係冇乜嘢啦。
Talk to you later. I know. 喂，呢排點啊？
啱。
你話我去選美，入唔入到三甲呢？
我冇錢啊！
咁啱嘅。
再見啦！
Is there anything you'd like me to sing?
No thanks. Maybe next time. I should get going.
Really? So soon? You don't want me to sit on your lap and sing for you? That's the kind of thing clients usually want.
Well, when you put it like that.
Let's go sing. You ready to go crazy? I'm a pro, so try to keep up. Stand up!
Wei comes in and just starts hitting people. He must beat up 7 of the dog guy's men.
Hello.
Hey, Wei, want to get together later? I'm curious about a lot of things.
What, that? Is you at the store?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
Will it be a problem when they don't recognize you?
Nobody likes you. You can go to screen. Oh, okay.
Oh, there you are.
Yeah, I'm back. Yeah, I thought I'd see if I could talk you into teaching me a few things.
Okay, let's go. First thing is make sure the coast is clear. Better get rid of that cop somehow.
Excuse me, officer?
Yes? What is it?
Yeah, I saw what looked like a drug deal a couple minutes ago. Over there.
Thanks for the tip, sir. I'll check it out.
Drug deal, huh? Well, I have to say though, the cops in this town are kind of dumb. All right. When I feel restless, I come out here and hotwire a camera, just for fun.
Hotwire? Why not just hack it?
I don't have the software to do that.
Let me show you how the pros do it.
I'll keep an eye out if the police come back. I don't think I can sweet talk them like you did, though. Impressive. How'd you know how to do that?
I have my ways.
Not going to tell me? Maybe I can find a way to bribe you later.
Wait, ice cream!
So, that was, like, pretty fun. I didn't know you were so into tech stuff.
Yeah, I'm, into all sorts of crazy shit.
I bet.
I still don't know your name.
What do you mean?
Well, look at my address book. You're still just not pinged to me.
That's cute. I like that.
So you want to set me straight?
Eventually. Most likely.
All right. I guess we'll see what it takes to get it out of you. Eventually. Let me show you how the pros do it.
Yeah? You're going to show me how to hack a camera?
Of course.
咁就係啊！我而家真係冇乜嘢啦。係咩？我冇錢啊！
有冇搞 Here? What? Don't go too crazy on this one, Wei. Come on. Outside Club Bama. Awesome.
Wei, hi.
Hey, Amanda. You look frustrated. What's going on?
It's closed. Why is it closed?
The public is only allowed in on the weekends.
Oh, this sucks. I wanted some pictures for my blog.
Well, let me see what I can do.
You know how I was talking about writing a book?
Yeah? With your photos, right?
Yeah. I decided to do it on all those cool little shrines all over town.
Oh, can you take a picture here?
That looks good, thanks.
You know, I have to say, that dress looks really good on you.
Well, you know, this guy bought it for me.
The guy bought you that dress, huh? Tell me about it.
Well, he's pretty cocky. He's a bit of a jerk. But he's also kind of cute.
And what does the guy think about you?
I don't know. I hope he likes me.
Well, I don't know about the guy, but I think you're pretty cute. You think you can let me and my friend in?
No, I told you it's closed.
Look, I'll make it worth your while.
Well, sir, it is time for my break. I think I'll go for a walk.
You're so resourceful, Wei.
Hey, will you take some pictures for me? Please? Oh, over here. Oh, that's pretty. I think this is a good spot. Good composition. One more. That's great. Thanks. You're a pretty good photographer.
Ah, no problem. My pleasure.
That was great. Thank you so much. I can't believe you got us in here.
It's no problem. I mean, it was fun. Kind of, nice playing tourist in your own town.
Yeah, I can see that. Thanks again, though, for taking the time to, do this.
Yeah, it's okay.
So, was this like a date?
Sounds good to me. What do you think?
Definitely. I mean, yeah, that sounds great.
Well, thank you for the date then. So, hey, I have an idea.
Oh, really? Tell me more.
Wait, can I talk to you?